The Maldives, just the name conjures up images of paradise. Picture this sparkling turquoise waters. Think about pristine white sand beaches. Imagine luxurious overwater bungalows perched above a shimmering lagoon. This is the captivating allure of the Maldives. An archipelago of over 1,200 islands scattered across the Indian Ocean like a string of precious pearls. Each island is a world unto itself, a sanctuary of natural beauty and tranquility. The Maldives is a place where time seems to slow down, where the worries of the world melt away under the warm tropical sun. It's a place to reconnect with nature, to indulge in barefoot luxury, and to create memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you dream of diving into a vibrant coral reef, indulging in rejuvenating spa treatments, or simply basking in the sun's embrace on a secluded beach, the Maldives offers an idyllic escape for every traveler. Join me as we delve into the heart of this tropical paradise and discover why the Maldives continues to enchant travelers from all corners of the globe. This is more than just a vacation destination. It's a chance to experience the extraordinary. Get ready to fall in love with the magic of the Maldives. The Maldives is not just one island. It's an archipelago, a collection of over 1,200 islands grouped into 26 atolls. These natural coral formations create a stunning tapestry of lagoons, reefs and sandbanks, each with its own unique character and charm. Some islands are home to bustling local communities, offering a glimpse into the authentic Maldivian way of life. Others are dedicated entirely to luxurious resorts where privacy and exclusivity reign supreme. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation or a bit of both, there's an island in the Maldives waiting to welcome you. For those seeking a vibrant and social atmosphere, Mafushi Island is a popular choice. Here you'll find a range of guest houses, restaurants and shops, alongside stunning beaches and opportunities for water sports. If ultimate seclusion is more your style, consider a stay on a private island resort where your overwater bungalow offers direct access to the crystal-clear lagoon. The beauty of the Maldives is that you can tailor your experience to your desires. With so many islands to choose from, your Maldivian adventure is limited only by your imagination. The Maldives is a scuba diver's and snorkelers' paradise. Beneath the surface of the Indian Ocean lies a vibrant and diverse ecosystem teeming with marine life. Imagine yourself surrounded by schools of colourful fish, gliding alongside graceful manta rays, or encountering a gentle whale shark. The warm, crystal-clear waters offer exceptional visibility, making it easy to marvel at the intricate coral formations and the creatures that call them home. Whether you're a seasoned diver or a first-time snorkeler, the Maldives offers an unforgettable underwater adventure. Numerous dive sites cater to all levels of experience. Explore shipwrecks teeming with marine life, drift along channels with strong currents, or simply relax and enjoy the tranquility of a shallow reef. Most resorts have PADI-certified dive centres where you can rent equipment and even get certified. Don't miss the opportunity to witness the magic of the underwater world in the Maldives. It's an experience that will stay with you long after you've left this paradise. Beyond its underwater wonders, the Maldives offers a wealth of activities to keep you entertained. Whether you crave adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both, you'll find plenty to fill your days in this tropical haven. For thrill seekers, water sports abound. Try your hand at windsurfing, kite surfing, or jet skiing. Embark on a dolphin-watching cruise or cast a line and try your luck at big game fishing. The possibilities for adventure are endless. If relaxation is your priority, the Maldives is the perfect place to unwind. Indulge in a rejuvenating spa treatment, practice yoga on the beach as the sun rises, or simply curl up with a good book and soak up the tranquility of your surroundings. Spend your days swimming in the crystal-clear waters, strolling along the pristine beaches, or simply lounging on the deck of your overwater bungalow, cocktail in hand. The Maldives is a place where you can set your own pace and create a vacation that perfectly suits your desires. Section 5. A tropical tapestry. When to embark on your Maldivian escape. The Maldives enjoys a tropical climate year-round, but the best time to visit is during the dry season, which runs from November to April. During these months you can expect sunny skies, low humidity and calm seas, ideal conditions for swimming, sunbathing and water sports. The wet season from May to October brings with it higher humidity, more frequent rainfall and the possibility of rough seas. However, this is also the time to experience fewer crowds and lower prices. If you don't mind the occasional shower, you can still have a wonderful Maldivian vacation during these months. No matter when you choose to visit, be sure to pack light clothing made from natural fibers, sunscreen, a hat, sunglasses and a good book. And don't forget your swimsuit. You'll want to spend as much time as possible in the water. Section 6. Navigating paradise, transportation and island hopping. Getting around the Maldives is an adventure in itself. The most common mode of transportation between islands is by seaplane. These scenic flights offer breathtaking views of the atolls and islands below, making them an unforgettable part of your Maldivian experience. For shorter distances, speedboats and traditional Maldivian donis, which are wooden boats, are readily available. Some resorts even offer private yacht charters for those seeking the ultimate in luxury and exclusivity. Once you're on an island, you can easily explore on foot, by bicycle or by golf cart. Many resorts also offer complimentary buggy services to transport guests around the island. The laid-back atmosphere of the Maldives extends to its transportation, so sit back, relax and enjoy the ride. Section 7. Respecting paradise. A glimpse into Maldivian culture. The Maldives is a predominantly Muslim country, and it's important to be respectful of local customs and traditions. When visiting inhabited islands, dress modestly, covering your shoulders and knees. It's also customary to remove your shoes before entering mosques and private homes. Take the time to interact with the friendly locals and learn about their way of life. You'll find that Maldivians are warm, welcoming people who are proud of their culture and heritage. One of the best ways to experience the local culture is to visit a local market. Here you'll find a vibrant array of fresh produce, seafood, spices and handicrafts. It's a great place to pick up some souvenirs and support the local economy. Remember, you're a guest in this beautiful country, so embrace the opportunity to learn about and appreciate the Maldivian culture. Section 8. Finding your perfect escape, budget-friendly to luxurious havens. One of the misconceptions about the Maldives is that it's only for the wealthy. While it's true that the Maldives is home to some of the most luxurious resorts in the world, there are also options for budget-conscious travelers. Guest houses and smaller hotels on local islands offer affordable accommodation without sacrificing comfort or charm. You'll have the opportunity to experience the authentic Maldivian way of life and interact with friendly locals. Of course, if you're looking for the ultimate in luxury and indulgence, the Maldives has that too. Overwater bungalows, private plunge pools, butler service and world-class dining are just a few of the luxuries that await you at the high-end resorts. No matter your budget, you'll find a way to experience the magic of the Maldives. It's all about finding the right fit for your travel style and preferences. Section 9. A dream within reach. Planning your Maldivian adventure. Planning a trip to the Maldives is easier than you might think. Numerous airlines offer direct flights to Valana International Airport in Malé, the capital city. From there, you can reach your chosen island by seaplane, speedboat or domestic flight. It's advisable to book your accommodation in advance, especially if you're traveling during peak season. Most resorts and guest houses have websites where you can make reservations online. Don't forget to check visa requirements before you travel. Most nationalities are granted a free 30-day visa upon arrival, but it's always best to confirm with your local embassy or consulate. With a little planning, your dream trip to the Maldives can become a reality. Start browsing travel websites, gather inspiration from travel blogs, and get ready to embark on an unforgettable adventure. Section 10. Answering the call of paradise. The Maldives is more than just a destination, it's a state of mind. It's a place to escape the everyday, to reconnect with nature, and to create memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a bit of both, the Maldives has something to offer everyone. So what are you waiting for? Share this glimpse of paradise with your friends and family. Start planning your own Maldivian escape today. Answer the call of the islands and discover the magic of the Maldives for yourself.